Get ready, start. The National Register of Citizens is a register of all Indian citizens whose creation is mandated by the 2003 amendment of the Citizenship Act 1955. Its purpose is to document all the legal citizens of India so that the illegal migrants can be identified and deported. It has been implemented for the state of Assam starting in 2013 to 2014. The Government of India plans to implement it for the rest of the country in 2021. Assam, being a border state with unique problems of illegal immigration, had a register of citizens created for it in 1951 based on the 1951 census data. However, it was not maintained afterwards. The Illegal Migrants Determination by Tribunal Act 1983 was then passed by the Parliament, creating a separate tribunal process for identifying illegal migrants in Assam. The Supreme Court of India struck it down as unconstitutional in 2005, after which the Government of India agreed to update the Assam NRC. Following unsatisfactory progress on the process of updating the Assam NRC for over a decade, the Supreme Court started directing the monitoring the process in 2013. The final updated NRC for Assam, published on 31 August 2019, contained 31 million 3.1 crore names out of its population of 33 million 3.3 crore, leaving out 1.9 million 19 lakh applicants, rendering them potentially stateless. The ruling Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP), which has championed the NRC exercise, did not find the results meeting its expectations. It believes that several legitimate citizens were excluded, while many illegal migrants were included. The BJP has promised to implement the NRC for all of India in its election manifesto for the 2019 Indian general election. On 19 November 2019, Home Minister Amit Shah declared in the Rajya Sabha of the Indian Parliament that the NRC would be implemented throughout the country. According to the Citizenship Rules 2003, the central government can issue an order to prepare the National Population Register (NPR) and create the NRC based on the data gathered in it. The 2003 amendment further states that the local officials would then decide if the person's name will be added to the NRC or not, thereby deciding his citizenship status. No new rules or laws are needed to conduct this exercise in the whole of India. The National Population Register (NPR) is a list of all the people residing in India and includes both the citizens and the non-citizens. This definition was stated by the then Minister of State for Home Affairs, Kiren Rijiju, as a response in the Rajya Sabha that was released on 26 November 2014 by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India. It stated that the NPR is the first step towards creation of National Register of Indian Citizens (NRIC) by verifying the citizenship status of every usual residents of a locality living there for at least 6 months with plans to continue their residence for another 6 months or more are included into the list of NPR. It is prepared as per the provisions of the Citizenship Act 1955 and the Citizenship Registration of Citizens and Issue of National Identity Cards Rules 2003 passed by the BJP government under Vajpayee. The listing is done at the local village, sub-town, sub-district, district, state and national level. Every usual resident of India is required to register in the NPR. According to the Citizenship Rules 2003, the center can issue an order to prepare the NPR and create the NRC based on the data gathered in the NPR. As per the 2003 citizenship rules, the local officials would then decide if the person's name will be added to the NRC or not, thereby deciding his citizenship status. No new rules or laws are needed to conduct this exercise in the whole of India. Stop.